Hello from Björnö Nudist beach out on Värmdö in Stockholm region. So I'm exploring yet another nudist beach in Stockholm region, and this one is quite amazing, I can tell you right away. So it's out on the Baltic Sea. It's a huge rocky beach that gives end of the world vibes, and I'm exploring this nudist beach on this 7th of July. Sunny Sunday, but very windy, and that's why the beach is completely empty. I am all alone the whole beach, but the wind is blowing like crazy. There are huge waves here. It's gonna be challenging to swim, but I already took a swim earlier, just around the corner here at Torpesar Strand, beautiful sandy beach. So now I'm exploring this rocky nudist beach, Björnö. It's actually right across the last bus station of the buses 428, 429 and 430, which is Björkviks Brygga. And there are some boats also passing by there as well. So yeah, quite huge nudist beach, Värmdö. And yes, beach the number 86 of my Sweden Beach Adventures, with the second swim for today. And I now need to find an appropriate entry into the sea, because it looks very dangerous to take a swim here indeed, but I really need to take a swim anyway, so we need to make the most out of it, the best out of the situation. Look at that. Oh no. Let's check the other side because here it will be mission impossible with all the waves and how slippery the rocks are. Let's see if it is safer on that side. Yeah, not really sure if you can be able to hear me, but I'm talking anyway. And we're gonna see with the edit how it goes afterwards. Alright. Very challenging indeed it will be, but I love the vibes here. It's so amazing. Okay, I think I have spotted a suitable spot. And while I look for that, you can enjoy the view of this nudist beach as such. No, not here. Let's continue exploring the beach and find a good and better way in. Everything looks so slippery, and the waves are not helping at all. See, it's very huge, very huge. Nope. It's gonna be extra challenging, but I really want to take a swim here at this beach, despite being so dangerous. But yeah, I'm no stranger to danger. So I think these rocks over here are my best bet. So let's go ahead. Oh, here it's nice, indeed. There you go. There you go. This is nice. Cool, amazing. I'm almost in. Alright, so then it's time finally for a dip at this Nudist beach, Björnö Nature Reserve, where I'm being now put upon a test with the waves here. But I'm gonna be going for a swim in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Amazing. It's a very, I thought it's gonna be deep, but not. I hit my back on a rock. So let's see. It's not dangerous at all. So many rocks all the way. So let's dive in once again, second try. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Amazing! Look at that! Beautiful, rocky, nudist beach. Indeed, I love it. And it was quite easy to get in actually, if you can just dance in the tact of the waves. They're coming. But yeah, I'm so happy that I experienced this beach. As last year I was actually around the corner and didn't see the main part of this beach. So check out that episode that's from last year. It was also an amazing sunny day. Not as windy. Alright, I need to wrap up and head back to explore some more beaches here in Björnö Nature Reserve. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!